fishing here at Union Lake, New Jersey. Fishing with the Z-Man chatterbait, 3/8 ounce. The one in the standard edition mystery tackle box. Just got the GoPro up and running again, but missed one bass on it, probably a pound and a half, and 2 pickerel. One actually was like 5 pounds. Throw up some pictures of those, but good fight. This thing's working really well today. Got some windy conditions. A little bit of coverage from the clouds. Just fishing this rocky point right here. Seems to be the home of pickerel, but we'll see if we'll pull any more bass out. All I've been doing is just fishing this grass line right here. Had a big bite right there. Let's see if I can get him again. Saw him eat it. Another pickerel. I love this chatterbait. Get off of there. And bite it again. That's smart. Another pickerel. Good fight. Got to put the anchor button on, now I'm crashing. What's that? Yeah, I got 3 pickerel and 1 bass.
What's that? Yeah, that little rock point right there, that's where all the pickerel were. Yeah, one was about maybe 5 pounds. Yeah, decent fight. But I'm trying for bass, so you always catch what you don't want. They seem to love the chatterbait if you're trying to catch them, so. Oh, yeah? Yeah, that rock point right there, I caught 3 of them, so. Yeah. Yeah, I almost had a bite there, but he just nipped the end of my chatterbait, so. Good luck to you guys. Thanks.
This is some bass territory right here. See if we can get one on the chatterbait. Oh. that. Good fish. And caught a branch. Oh, there we go. Nice bass. Oh, yeah. Stay on, stay on. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That's definitely my PB. Wow. That's a nice bass right there. Wow. Chatterbait has been killing it today. Let's get him on the scale, too. Oh, man. He's got some scars on him. And some fights. Looks like a nice healthy fish though. Wow. That's a nice fish. Gotta clean this thing out, it's a mess. I'll just throw this thing on. Wow. Same 4.5. Feels a lot heavier than 4.5 though. Scale might be busted. $4.56. Wow. Let's get a release on him. Good fight. Nice fish. Nice fish. Pretty stoked about that. Let's see if we can catch another one. This has been a pretty good day. Thanks, Mystery Tackle Box. Carl's Bait and Tackle. Just finishing up retying after that bass. Don't want to lose my chatterbait on another bite. Caught him right by this tree, fallen tree in the water. Whew, my heart's racing. That was awesome. It says, the fish finder says about 4 feet, 4 to 5 feet right now. Water temp is 57. That was awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end it on that note. I'm almost out of storage on my GoPro, so I'm gonna stay and fish a chatterbait for a little bit longer. If I catch anything else, I'll just post pictures of it, put it at the end of the video. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.